Hi, I'm Robert with Ducks Spray Equipment. I'll be walking you through setting your packing or adjusting your packing in a Ducks gravity feed or pressure feed spray gun. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through breaking the gun down so that you can get at the packing pressure nut. And first we need to trigger the gun back, remove the needle. Remove your air cap. You can use a 10mm nut driver, or on your Ducks multi-tool you have a 10mm nut driver in the center. Remove your fluid tip. And on your yoke, you'll be removing that. Just a flathead screwdriver will do. I like to put my thumb right here on the C-clip. I don't know if you can see my index to catch the C-clip so it doesn't go flying. Remove your C-clip. Your yoke comes off. Now if you have a Ducks packing driver, you can adjust the nut with your sleeve A on. If you do not have one of these, you will need a skinny flathead screwdriver. If you have a fat flathead screwdriver, you will not be able to get into the sleeve A, and so you will have to remove it at this point. So now your gun is tore down. Alright, so now you're at where you can adjust your packing pressure nut in the back of the fluid tube here. And what you'll need for that is your needle, a Ducks packing driver or a flathead screwdriver, and a Ducks packing pressure gauge. Now we're at the point where we can adjust our packing pressure. So first we'll take our Ducks needle and apply a thin layer of lube to the thickest part of the needle and insert it into the packing to the thickest point, and use our Ducks packing pressure gauge, and we're looking to achieve 2 pounds of pressure on the needle. So that was too tight. I need to back the nut off. Okay, 2 pounds of pressure. So now our packing is set, and it's just the reassemble process. Okay, so now we're just going to reassemble the gun now that our packing pressure is set. We'll take the gun, take our sleeve A, snug the sleeve A up, take your yoke. It's a good time to just throw a little lube on the yoke rails. Just a preventative maintenance thing. For more preventative maintenance tips, watch our preventative maintenance video. Take your C-clip and just snap that on. Then take your fluid tip, screw that on. On your fluid tip, it's just a little snug will do it. There's a mechanical seal here. You over tighten it, you can ruin your main fluid tube, so be careful there. And then when you reinsert your needle Just add a little bit of lube to the thick part and get it all around there, and insert with the gun triggered back. That just helps the wear on the sealing points so they are not forced together when you're reinserting your needle. And then just your air cap, and you are done with your packing pressure.